Welcome back to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back to another product review. Today we will be testing out the Motortech heavy duty degreaser. I have picked this one up for $4 at Repco and it says heavy duty degreaser, powerful, all purpose, easy to use, automotive, machinery and industrial use. Directions: spray degreaser on the area to be cleaned, leaf to penetrate for 2 to 3 minutes, then simply hose off. It doesn't mention anything about brushing it or agitating it when dealing with heavy duty grease, but we will certainly be doing that because, as you can see here, we'll be degreasing the gearbox that we have pulled out of the car. We'll have a bit of a closer look at it in a second. We'll spray some of this stuff on it. We'll give it a bit of a brush and see how well it comes up. There you can see some heavy build-up of grease. We have taped up the top where the shifter goes because I don't want any water getting in there. And you can see build-up of grease there, in here, even up the top there. We are back inside now with our freshly cleaned gearbox. Now this is a T5 5-speed gearbox that was taken out of our cheapest EL Falcon in Australia, and it is in great condition. There was really no leaks on it, but look, that's besides the point, and that'll be the subject of another video. To clean it up, we used 2 cans of the degreaser. We did the initial application, scrubbed it, hosed it, and then I did another application, and I didn't spare the stuff, okay? I just put it on there. I used 1 can, or pretty close to 1 can the first time, cleaned it all, and then redid it. So it had 2 full treatments, and as you can see in this video, it's come up really, really well. There's no grease left. It's not slimy at all. And it's pretty clean, ready to put back in the car after doing a few other things. Now my final thoughts on this stuff: I'm pretty happy with it. It works, it does what it's supposed to be doing, it cleans up grease, and as you can see on the gearbox right in front of me on the table here, it's clean. Like, I can touch it anywhere, there's no grease on my hands. And now I've got a good starting point to work with. Now if you've got any questions about anything you saw in today's video, leave your question down below and I'll try and answer it to the best of my ability. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, and don't forget to smash the subscribe button, not the can of degreaser, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching and bye for now.